Morning, everybody. I'm Mark Deal with Flyer Media Productions, and welcome to another edition of Flyer Update. Today we're going to be talking with Lincoln Elementary Principal Larry Edgerton about some updates and new things that are happening over at Lincoln for this school year. So, Larry, welcome.
Thank you.
Let's start out, Larry, by talking about some staffing updates and new staff that will be over at Lincoln Elementary this year.
New staff we have coming into the building, or new to Lincoln, or new to the district, is Lindsay LeClaire. She'll be joining us as a special education teacher. And then we have Jessica Peterson, who will be at Lincoln for elementary band. She's also doing band at the other two elementary schools as well. And then we have Emily Neibauer, who will be joining the early childhood program. Other than that, I believe that is it for new staff at Lincoln Elementary School.
Great. How about, I know you've got a new curriculum coming into play at Lincoln. You want to talk a little bit about that with the math?
We do. The district has purchased iReady Math, and that'll be for elementary, K through 5. And we're excited for a new math program. It's been kind of long overdue. And so I know teachers have been pretty diligent all summer of taking a look at that curriculum and putting things together. So we are ready to go come fall, come day one that students are in the building. So we're very excited for the new math program.
And then there's every year there's always a little bit of projects to help improve the building. You want to touch on some of those changes happening over at Lincoln this summer?
Yeah, some things that you'll see new inside the building. We have new Bradley sinks installed throughout the building, some additional drinking fountains, brand new drinking fountains with water bottle fillers at various places throughout the building. Outside on the playground, the PTA just recently purchased 2 Gaga ball pits that were installed out there. So I know the kids are excited for that, and that's what the fundraising money last spring went towards. And so we're looking forward to some of those new things for the kids to participate in out on the playground.
Great, and of course, one thing that's going to be new over at Lincoln and not start right away this fall, but the addition of that daycare center is going to be a fun thing for kids to watch go up. Obviously, they're not going to be, right, they'll be fenced off and safe from the construction, but watching a building get built is always fun for kids to see the progress.
Right. And we went through this a few years ago with the addition of the Early Childhood Center onto Lincoln, and now we'll be adding that daycare center onto the Early Childhood Center, and hopefully we'll break ground, anticipating to break ground in the springtime. And yes, construction sites are always fascinating for kids to watch, and it'll be all fenced off and safe, but students will be able to watch the whole construction process from afar.
Right. Larry, as you think about this new school year that's upon us, what gets you most excited?
You know, right now, being in the office and teachers are trickling in, coming in, get their classrooms ready, and you get to visit with them and hear about their summer. But ultimately, it's about the kids, and when they come in and are excited to come back to school, you know, it starts that open house night on August 30th from 4 to 6. Just seeing those families back in the building, the kids back in the building, because you know that's what we're all about, is the kids, and it's always fun to welcome those families back, and then welcome those new families to Lincoln Elementary School.
And so you have an open house coming up towards the end of the month for families to come in and meet the teachers and do that. Can you just touch on the dates and times for that?
Yeah. Our open house is Wednesday, August 30th from 4 to 6 p.m. And this is a great time for the families to come in and bring their school supplies and get those put away so the students don't have to haul those in that first day of school. Gives the kids a chance to get around the building and get reacclimated and meet their teacher. Something new this year too is that families need to be aware of and students need to be aware of is breakfast will be served in the cafeteria this year instead of in the classroom. So when students first report to the building, they will be reporting directly to the cafeteria instead of the playground.
Great. Well, Larry, thank you so much for joining us to talk about what will be happening new at Lincoln this year and giving us a little bit of an update. Wish you all the best in the year ahead.
Thank you. I look forward to an exciting school year.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.